You've had wraps, but this homemade chicken Frankie? It's spicier, juicier. Today we're making a spicy, juicy chicken Frankie, a classic street-style roll packed with bold flavors. Start with 250 grams of boneless chicken. I'm using thigh pieces for extra juiciness. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, and a squeeze of lemon. Mix it all together and let it marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Sauté chopped onions until golden, then add the marinated chicken. Cook on medium-high heat until fully done and slightly charred. Keep it juicy, not dry. You can use regular roti, paratha, or tortilla wraps. For street-style Frankie, crack 1 egg in a pan, place the roti over it, and cook till the egg sets. Flip and cook both sides till golden. For the green chutney, blend together fresh coriander, mint, green chili, garlic, salt, lemon juice, and a spoon of yogurt. This adds freshness and a kick. Now it's time to roll. Spread green chutney over the roti. Pile on the chicken, add sliced onions, shredded cabbage, garlic mayo or ketchup, and a sprinkle of chaat masala. Wrap it up nice and tight. And there you have it. Spicy, tangy, juicy chicken Frankie made right in your kitchen. Way better than takeout. Save this recipe and subscribe for more street-style food done right.